Hello everyone, welcome to Basics e-Learning. I am going to solve Cbse Ncert textbook for class 10 with a detailed explanation for all the chapters.
This is the second problem from exercise 8.3 from page number 189. It has two subsections, and the first subsection problem is like this: tan 48 degree, tan 23, tan 42 and tan 67 is equal to 1. We have to show that the left hand side sum is equal to 1. So before starting the problem, we have to check whether the given angles are making any complementary angle pairs or not. Which two angles are making complementary angles here? So here if you take the given angles are here 48, 23, 42 and 67. So any of these any two combinations are making complementary angles, that is 90 degrees or not, we need to check here. So here if you see 48 and 42 making one complementary pair and 23 and 67 are making one more complementary pair. So that we can change. That is the complementary pair that we can use here is tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. That is tan and cot are one complementary pair. And 48 plus 42 is 90 degree. That is, I can write 48 as 90 minus 42. Similarly, 23 plus 67 is another complementary pair. Again, I can write this 23 as 90 minus 67. Right? So now we can start doing the problem here. Tan 48, that can be written as tan 90 minus 42 into tan 42, right, multiplied by tan 23 can be written as tan 90 minus 67 multiplied by tan 67, right. So tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, so cot 42 multiplied by tan 42, and then tan 90 minus 67 is cot 67 multiplied by tan 67. So tan multiplied by cot 1 and again cot multiplied by tan 1. Cot 42 and tan 42 makes 1 multiplied by cot 67 into tan 67, another 1. So the answer for this problem is 1. This is second subsection from problem number 2, exercise 8.3. Problem says like this: show that cos 38 degree cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree sin 52 degree is equal to 0. So if you consider the first term as A and the second term as B, it is of the form A minus B is equal to 0. That means the first term should be equal to the second term. Then only you can get the answer as 0. That is cos 38 cos 52, you have to make it is equal to sin 38 sin 52 such that the answer is 0. So let us see how it goes. So the two angles given are 38 and 42. Check out 52 which is equal to 90. That means 38 and 52 is one complementary pair, right? So 38 I can write it as 90 minus 52. Similarly, this 52 can be written as 90 minus 38. So I can replace here cos 38 as cos 90 minus 52 and cos 52 as cos 90 minus 38 minus the second term as usual I am writing sin 38 degree sin 52 degree, right. So as we know cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta here. The term here cos 90 minus 52 is of the form cos 90 minus theta, which is nothing but now sin 52. Then cos 90 minus theta can be written as sin 38 here. Cos 90 minus 38 can be written as sin 38 minus sin 38 sin 52, right? So both are one and the same. So answer is 0.
For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know your suggestions and queries in the comment box. Thank you.